Design thinking is a problem-solving methodology that can help teams to generate creative solutions by focusing on users' needs and experiences. To conduct a design thinking workshop, you can follow these general steps. Define the challenge. Start by clearly articulating the problem or challenge that you want to solve. This should be a specific and well-defined problem that your team can work on. Assemble the team. Bring together a diverse group of people with different backgrounds and perspectives. Ideally, your team should include stakeholders, users, designers, and subject matter experts. Empathize with users. The first stage of the design thinking process is empathy. In this stage, you should try to understand the user's needs, goals, and experiences. You can conduct user interviews, surveys, or observations to gather data. Define the problem. Based on the insights from the empathy stage, you can define the problem statement. This should be a clear and concise statement that captures the core problem that your team is trying to solve. Ideate solutions. Brainstorm a wide range of ideas and solutions. Encourage your team to generate as many ideas as possible, even if they seem crazy or impractical. Use ideation techniques such as mind mapping, sketching, or role-playing to facilitate the process. Prototype. Create a prototype or mock-up of the solution. This can be a rough sketch, a storyboard, or a physical prototype. The goal is to create something that can be tested and refined. Test with users. Finally, test the prototype with users. Get feedback on the solution and use this feedback to refine and improve the design. Iterate on the design until you have a solution that meets the user's needs. Overall, the design thinking process is highly collaborative and iterative. It involves continuous feedback and refinement until you have a solution that works for users. By following these steps, you can conduct a design thinking workshop and generate innovative solutions to complex problems.